Think about the people in your life who command respect without ever demanding it. They do not shout. They do not beg for attention. They do not try to impress anyone. And yet, when they walk into a room, something shifts. People listen. People take them seriously. People treat them differently. What do they know that most people do not? The answer is not confidence. It is not looks. It is not status. It is psychology. And today, we are going to break down 6 psychological tricks that make people respect you instantly and permanently. The first one is so simple it will surprise you. Stop over-explaining yourself. Most people, when they make a decision or set a boundary, feel an overwhelming urge to justify it. I cannot come tonight because I have so much work, and also my back has been hurting, and I was also going to call my mom and... Sound familiar? Here is what psychology tells us. The more you over-explain, the less credible you sound. Over-explaining signals anxiety. It signals that you are seeking approval. And people pick up on that signal whether they realize it or not. Highly respected people give short, clear answers. They say, I cannot make it tonight without a paragraph of reasons attached. Because deep down, they know something most people do not. You do not owe anyone an explanation for every decision you make. The moment you stop over-explaining, people start assuming your reasons are good ones, and they respect you more for it. The second trick is one that almost nobody talks about. Slow down. Everything. The way you speak, the way you move, the way you respond to questions. Research in social psychology consistently shows that people who speak slowly and deliberately are perceived as more confident, more intelligent, and more trustworthy than those who speak quickly. When you rush your words, your body language, your reactions, you signal nervousness. You signal that you are uncomfortable taking up space. But when you slow down, you signal that you are completely at ease, that you are not in a hurry to impress anyone. Try this. Next time someone asks you a question, pause for 1 or 2 seconds before answering. Do not rush to fill the silence. That pause alone will make people perceive you completely differently. The third trick is about mastering something called the Pratfall Effect. Here is the psychology behind it. Researchers found that highly competent people actually become more likable and more respected when they occasionally admit a mistake or show a moment of imperfection. This sounds counterintuitive. Should not perfect people be respected more? The answer is no. And here is why. Perfect people make others feel inadequate. They create distance. They feel unrelatable and even threatening. But someone who is clearly capable, and also occasionally human, is someone people trust completely. So the next time you make a mistake, do not hide it. Do not over-apologize for it. Simply acknowledge it, own it, and move on. That single act of quiet accountability will earn you more respect than 1,000 perfect performances ever could. The fourth trick changes how people see you from the very first interaction. Use people's names. This is one of the most well-researched findings in all of social psychology. Dale Carnegie wrote about it decades ago, and neuroscience has since confirmed it. When someone hears their own name, their brain activates differently. It triggers a sense of recognition, warmth, and personal connection. Using someone's name in conversation tells them unconsciously, I see you. You are not just anyone to me. You matter, and people deeply respect those who make them feel that way. Not in an over-the-top way, not repeating their name every sentence, but naturally, warmly, deliberately. Try it in your next conversation and watch how the dynamic shifts. The fifth trick is perhaps the most powerful of all 6. Disagree without being disagreeable. Most people do one of two things when they encounter a differing opinion. They either immediately cave and agree to avoid conflict, or they become defensive and argumentative. Both of these destroy respect instantly. Highly respected people do something completely different. They hold their position calmly. They say things like, "I see it differently," or "I understand your point, but I think." And then they state their view clearly, without raising their voice, without getting emotional, and without needing the other person to agree. Psychologists call this non-anxious presence, the ability to stay grounded and clear even when someone pushes back. Nothing communicates self-respect more powerfully than someone who can disagree with you and still make you feel heard. And people who make you feel heard while holding their own ground are the people you respect most deeply. The sixth and final trick is one that works quietly in the background of every interaction you have. Keep your word, even on small things. This sounds obvious, but most people underestimate just how much the small things matter. You said you would send that message. You forgot. You said you would be there at 7. You arrived at 7:15. You said you would look into it. You never did. Every small broken promise chips away at your credibility in ways you cannot see in the moment. But people feel it. They register it. And slowly, their respect for you erodes. On the other hand, the person who does what they say they will do, every single time, builds a reputation that no amount of charm or intelligence can manufacture. Trust is the foundation of all respect. And trust is built one kept promise at a time. So if you want people to respect you, start with the small things. Because it is always the small things that reveal the most about who you really are. Respect is never something you can demand. You cannot force it, buy it, or fake it for long. But you can earn it. Quietly. Consistently. Through the way you carry yourself, the way you speak, the way you treat others, and the way you keep your promises. The 6 things we covered today are not tricks in the manipulative sense. They are simply ways of showing up in the world with more clarity, more integrity, and more self-respect. Because ultimately, the people others respect most are almost always the people who respect themselves. Drop a comment below and tell me, which of these 6 do you think you need to work on most? If this video gave you something useful today, share it with someone who needs to hear it. It might change how they show up in the world starting tomorrow. Subscribe for more psychology content, and I will see you in the next one.